What if you could grade your pension instantly without having to speak to an IFA or anybody else? Well, we've created that tool for you. Let me show you how. You go to campaignforamillion.com, you look at our many free tools, you click on that, and then rate your pension. You're going to love this, okay, because I love it. Now, is your pension pulling its weight? Let's rate my pension. You can put in the name. Let's say you don't know what the name is. Let's say your current pension has a value of 200,000 years invested. Just give an approximate value if you know how many years you've been in there. It's not essential, and I explain why. Let's say you've been there with 5 years. Now, you'll either know your current annual return. Most people won't. You might know your start and final values, okay, and how many years, or you might know the total growth over a number of years. Most people know this, and you can fill that in. So you might say, well, you know what, Alpesh, it's only grown 20% over the last, 4 years, okay? And then it'll calculate your rating. That's a D rating. Why is that a D rating? Well, what we've done is we've calculated your estimated annual return based on your total return divided by the number of years. And then we've looked at our Great Investments Program benchmark. One of the benchmarks is the JMC model. Now, there's lots of assumptions here. You know, you can't say a 90-year-old should be looking for the same returns as a 20-year-old, obviously. And past performance is not a guarantee of the future, but it gives you some idea of where you're sitting in the universe of potential growth of actual models that we've created. And then we project that forward and say to you, well, if you'd invested 100,000 over the same 4-year period that you already have, your result will be 120,000 because of the rate of return that you've got. The benchmark has gone from 100 to nearly 300,000. The potential gap missing out on 148%. And then we've projected that forward and saying, well, if you keep like this, where will you end up? Which is down here. After 14 years, you're at about 189,000. Where's the benchmark? Assuming it continues growing at the rate it has historically, which is a big assumption, okay, even if you halve that and you're not at 4 million, let's say you're at 2, let's say you're a quarter of that, just $1 million, you're still doing 5 times better, okay? So what we normally say with benchmarks is halve them, maybe even quarter them, reduce them significantly. On top of that, of course, you've got access to all my free videos, stock of the week, weekly update, all of those things, and all my TikTok channel. 1.8 million likes, 454,000 followers on there as well. And you can book a free pension review call where we can look at it in more detail to educate and inform you as well. Big caveats, as ever, it's education, it's information. Past performance is not a guarantee of the future. And you should always think about what's appropriate for you. As you get older, you'll want to hold more cash, and you might purposely, by holding more cash, have generated a lower return because you wanted more certainty, and that's fine as well. What we're looking at, and one size doesn't fit all, is versus our benchmark. I hope you find that useful. Remember, the website you want to go to for Rate My Pension is campaignforamillion.com and look for our free tools, and it's under there. I look forward to speaking to you. Thank you very much.